Hello. It is the most common greeting in English. People use it in everyday situations with friends, coworkers, and strangers. Its main advantage is that it works in both formal and informal conversations. Hi. This is a shorter and more casual version of hello. It is commonly used among friends, family members, classmates, and colleagues. It sounds friendly and relaxed. Good morning. This greeting is used during the morning hours. It is a polite way to start a conversation and is often heard at work, school, and public places. Good afternoon. This greeting is used afternoon and before the evening. It is slightly more formal than casual greetings and is common in professional environments. Good evening. This greeting is used when meeting someone in the evening. Unlike good night, it is used to begin a conversation rather than end one. It sounds polite and respectful. Hey! This is a very informal greeting often used between close friends. It has a casual and friendly tone and is rarely used in formal situations. How are you? This is both a greeting and a question about someone's well-being. People often say it after hello or hi. In daily conversations, the response is usually short and polite. Nice to meet you. This phrase is used when meeting someone for the first time. It helps create a positive first impression and is common in introductions, meetings, and interviews. Welcome. This greeting is used to receive or greet someone warmly. It is often heard when a guest arrives at a place, event, or group. Good night. This phrase is used when leaving in the evening or before going to sleep. Unlike good night, it is used to end an interaction rather than end one.